XTZ, we start with 1 hour chart. And if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And the first target was 5.5. As we can see, the price tag 5.5, and it turns to a correction. No one see what's the next, whether this is the correction, and we can look for continuation or not. All right. Anyway, we start with the higher time frame. We start with daily chart, and as you can see, based on daily chart, we have been within this deep correction. And the only thing is, we mentioned if we get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, we'll take it. And even we mentioned we can expect the price drop to 4.0. By the way, we mentioned if we get any trade setup based on lower time frame, any reversal, we'll take it. And right now we're looking to see whether we can expect this one turn to a daily correction or not, because any daily correction can give us a good confirmation for continuation. That's mean the reversal in relative to this. Anyway, if we want to look for buy based on daily chart with the breakout of 8.8, we can look for 9.9 following by 12.1. This is what we have been explaining. If we refer to our analysis, and if we move to 4 hour chart, at this point we're looking at this. We want to see whether this one can turn to a correction for continuation or not. Either we can get the trade based on 4 hour or 1 hour chart, but at this point, based on 4 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup. The best thing is we trade based on lower time frame, based on 1 hour chart, and we can look at this one as a flat. If we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it, and we can look for the next target as 5.8 following by 6.1. All right. By the way, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. We are not really interested to look for sell. If we see the breakout of the previous low following by deeper correction, maybe we can consider to look for sell. But at this point, we're looking for buy. We have to wait. We see how we can get the trade. It depends on the strategy that traders they can use. Having entry above this can be an option, but it's not really a good idea. It depends on the traders. But for me, I will wait and see how deep this correction can go. Then any reversal as a flag, I will take the trade. And again, if anyone wants to put the entry above the top, as long as the price haven't break the previous low, we can consider to have entry either above here or here. But if the price could break the previous low, then having entry above any of this is not a really good idea. And even at this point is quite risky, because simply the price can tag following by divergence and drop. That's why if anyone wants to use the look for trade by this option, they should know that if the price tag, we shouldn't keep the trade more than 12 hours if it's not moving our direction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.